Ever wanted to carry your favorite channels everywhere? Your phone can be a TV powerhouse with IPTV. In just moments, we'll guide you through the straightforward process of setting this up on your phone. You'll know the best app choices and what makes IPTV truly groundbreaking in mobile entertainment. But first, the surprising twist using 2TV.store, today's ultimate IPTV source with amazing flexibility. You'll see why it's changing the way we consume media, blending traditional TV with modern streaming. In 6 seconds, I'll share why the switch elevates your entertainment game with an irresistible bonus. Stick around to find out exactly how easy the integration journey is, from download to instant access. Imagine the weekend movie binge or live sports thrill on your commuter fantasy turning real. Get it here. https://www.2tv.store/ introducing yet another game-changing aspect of IPTV. Tune in anytime, anywhere. Don't miss the simplest way to transition from conventional viewing to endless on-demand options. End this journey equipped with a newfound understanding ready to revolutionize your watching habits.